Hello students, we're going to play the song The Bell Tower. We will start by finding our hand position for this song. For this song, we will place our hands in middle C position, meaning our right hand and left hand, thumbs or one fingers, will be placed on C. Now, this song starts with our right hand playing E, so that's our three finger on E, and our left hand will play the letter G. And at the bottom of the page, our left hand and right hand will play C and E at the exact same time, like so. Now don't forget there's a repeat in this song. So now we're going to play and say our letter names for each note, starting with our three finger on E. Here we go. E, C, D, G, G, D, E, C. Repeat. E, C, D, G, G, D, E, C. Together. E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C. Great job. Now let's practice our rhythm. We will do this by playing and saying aloud what the note looks like. Starting with our right hand on E, our three finger on E. Here we go. Quarter, 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 half note, dot. 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 Together. Half note, dot, half note, dot, half note, dot, half note, dot. Happy practicing.